Phew, almost done. Looks clean everywhere. Good thing I asked Sam to help. I wonder what's in here. Oh no! Sam!
Yes, Sue? Uh-oh. Oopsie.
Sam, stay. What's all this rubbish doing in the box?
Well, that's how I helped you with
But
cleaning.
you were supposed to put the rubbish out, not hide it.
But look, this and that. Cups can be of use, and paper rolls. We need them.
Admit it. It was just too cold outside and you didn't want to put the rubbish out.
Very cold out there. But perhaps we can make something out of this stuff.
Let's see what we've got. Very useful caps, a paper roll, and some fishing line. I've got an idea. Have you heard about marionettes?
Yeah, these candies taste horrible.
These aren't candy, Sam. Come, I'll show you.
Huh?
Hi, guys. Today, I'll show you and Sam how to make a cool marionette puppet out of everyday items. First, let's take a piece of orange.
Pink!
But Sam, where have you seen pink foxes? No, definitely not in the Tibidabo.
You can read my mind now?
Right. Let's draw an outline of a fox head and its tail. You can also use a stencil to help you with this. There. Now, let's cut them out. Remember to be very careful with the scissors, guys. Right. Now, let's make some white fur for the face and the tip of the tail. There. There. Got it. Now, we'll cut them out again. I'll go nice and slow with it. And then I'll glue them with a glue stick. Oh, Sammy!
It's clear that mustache doesn't suit me.
Now I'll add eyes and a nose with the help of the black marker. And color it in all the way.
Wow, it really looks like a fox!
Well, that's what it is.
But what does the fox say?
Yeah, I know this song, but enough.
Oh.
Let's continue. Hey, Sam, could you please bring me the stuff from under the box?
All right, just a moment.
And meanwhile, I'll cut a rectangle from the orange piece of paper.
There, that's it.
All right, I'll take this roll and wrap the orange rectangle around it. You can attach the paper with the double-sided tape or with the glue.
If you stick sticky tape on a non-sticky surface, you will stick non-sticky surface to the sticky tape.
What?
I'm practicing my articulation. This tape has to have some use at least. If you stick a sticky tape on a non-sticky...
This is what I've made so far. I'll mark the holes for legs and arms with a marker. There and here. Now, I'll make the holes with the help of a drawing pin.
Make holes with this?
No, Sam.
Ah. Then this!
No, Sam.
What about this?
No, with a drawing pin.
Boring.
But it works. Now, I'll take the string that someone was supposed to throw away but decided to do otherwise. First, I'll make the arms. I'll put the string through the holes and tie knots on the ends to keep them in place. There. Now, I'll make the legs in the same manner. Next, I'll take the caps that someone was supposed to...
I know. Supposed to throw
Well
away.
done. I've made holes in the caps as well, right in the middle.
Extra! I'll keep it.
What for?
For fashion reasons.
Fashion, eh? Oh well. I'll get the string through the opening and tie the knots. Now I'll glue the head and the tail onto the body. Just like this. There, almost done.
It's a weird puppet.
Well, Sam, it's not done yet. Now comes the fun part. I'll take 2 bamboo skewers.
Are you going to make fruit fish again?
What fish, Sam?
You know, the yummy one.
Oh, no. I'll place them across from each other and secure them with tape. I'll mark them here and here, and there and there. Now, I'll tie pieces of fishing line to the skewers.
Aha! Fishing line! I knew there would be fish. I'm watching.
I'll secure the knots with tape. And I'll attach the other ends to the feet and the body. I'll put the line through and secure it with tape, like this. And then to the body, on both sides.
Looks like you've caught a large fish.
Come watch this wonder fish. I mean fox. You've confused me. Check it out. It can dance. See? I'm not even touching it.
Oh, it's magic, not a fish.
It's amazing what one can do with rubbish. Speaking about rubbish, there's still some left.
Okay, I'll put it out.
And we'll wait for you here. Oh, hey, and put your hat on. It's cold. By the way, guys, what chores do you have? Write in the comments. I hope you're not lazy like Sam.
Let's dance.
You're in a good mood, Sam.
No, I'm just very cold. I need to warm up.
All right, let's do it.
Woohoo!
Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh.
Oh, yeah! Come on, ducky! Oh, yeah!
Ooh.
Go, fox, go! Wow! All right, guys, this one deserves a big thumbs up.